Hey guys, welcome to theme parks with Alfie, and in today's video, I will be taking you on a tour of my shark cabin. Right, let's go. Okay guys, so here is the door where you come in, and there's the view outside. You've got the Swarm and Stealth over there, and yeah, here's all of the shark cabins. So as you come in, you've got the action in an event of a fire. So there's the fire safety stuff, and over here you've got the classic, an island like no other. So these shark cabins haven't really been updated in a while. Ever since they did the rebrand. Most things hasn't really been updated in the shark cabins. So over here you've got the TV, you've got the really comfy bed, and I will tell you how I slept at the end of this video. So as you come over here, you have the two single beds as a bunk bed. Here's the one below, and here's the one up top. Now, normally, if one person stays here, you can go and ask reception, and sometimes they will let you to lift up this bed, because this one can actually lift up. So yeah, and over here we have the would you call it, like kitchenette area, I would say. So it comes with it doesn't come with Haribo's. I brought them last night, so just mind that. So it comes with Yorkshire tea, a few milks. What else is in here? I think sugar and stuff in here. It comes with a free bottle of water, four mugs and spoons, and a kettle. Let's have a look. How does this open? Yep, that's clean. That's clean to me. So that's done. You've also got a bin down there. You've got hangers. You've got places for. There's some more towels if you need any. There's toilet roll, and here's like free drawers just down here. And if we come over here, here is the bathroom. So there's the toilet. You got some extra towels up there. There's the sink, and there is the rainfall shower. And there's me. Hi. Hello. So yeah, that concludes the room tour. Right. So I hope you enjoyed that room tour. Now I am going to be talking to you about the sleep. So I slept really well last night. The bed is really comfy. At the start I couldn't really sleep because I was getting used to my surroundings and stuff. I really enjoyed my stay. So in a few more minutes, me and Theme Park Pierce, who joined me for Tidal Wave all day, that video should be coming up on his YouTube channel soon. And yeah, that's it. That's all what I've got to say. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, that'll be greatly appreciated. Subscribe if you're brand new, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at theme parks with Alfie, where I post loads of different theme park content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.